back to your maths class. In previous class, I taught real life applications on additions and subtractions. Today I am going to explain fractions of multiplications of your fractions. See, multiplication of fractions. Total 3 methods are there. I am going to explain those 3. See here, first one, by a whole number. Multiplication of fractions by a whole number. That means any whole number, we are taking 2 into one fraction, 1 by 4. This is one number. See, with example I am going to explain. If nothing is there, so this whole number you should multiply by numerator and denominator remains same. That is 2 ones are 2 by 4. Clear? After that you should convert this into lowest form. 2 table will go in these 2 numbers because these 2 are even numbers. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. This is 1 by 2. This is first method. Multiplication of fractions by a whole number. That is the first one. Second one, multiplication of fractions by a fractional number. That means both are fractions. So, suppose for example, 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. This is a fractional number and we are multiplying this fractional number by this fractional number. Then what we have to do? You should multiply both the numerators and write in the numerator and denominators, both you do multiplication and write in the denominator place. See, 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. Okay, now you can simplify it. 3 by 16. In these 2 numbers, which table will go? 3 table will go. So 3 how many times will go in 6? 2 times. 3 how many times will go in 15? 5 times. So what is the answer? 2 by 5. Okay children? This is multiplication of fractions by a fractional number. This is a fraction and this is a fraction. Both you are doing multiplication. You should multiply numerator into numerator, write in the numerator place, and denominator into denominator you should do multiplication and write the product in the denominator place. Okay children? Now I am going to explain multiplication of a whole number by a fractional number. So suppose see 3 by 7. You are going to multiply by 2. This is a whole number. Same like as by a whole number. Multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Same method. Numerator you should multiply by whole number and write the same denominator. These two you should multiply and write in the product we write in the numerator. 3 2s are 6 by 7. Okay. Like this we have to write. We will see now the exercises. Exercise 11. Total 20 sums are there. Very easy. Practice it. First you listen carefully. And the shortcut method also I will explain. See, 4 by 7 into 6. Here this is a fraction and this is a whole number. Third one I explained. Okay. So 4 by 7 into 6. So this is numerator. You should multiply by whole number and write the same denominator. Remains same denominator. Numerator into whole number you should do multiplication. So 4 6s are how much? 24 by 7. Denominator remains same. This is what fraction? Improper fraction. If we are converting into mixed fraction, 24 you divide by 7. 7 3s are 21. Remainder 4 minus 1 3. 2 minus 2 0. Left side 0 having no value. So this can be written as 3 by 7. Is it clear, children? This is the first sum. Now I am going to explain the fifth sum. Listen carefully. This is very important. See, 2 by 5. This is a fractional number you are multiplying by a whole number. See, first in these two numbers, any common factor is there except 1? No. So, leave these two. Now, this whole number and this denominator you see. In these two numbers, any table will go, any common factor is there? Yes, 5. 5 is the common factor for these two numbers. So, cancel these two numbers by 5. 5 how many times will go in 5? 1 time. Right? Now 5 how many times will go in 10? 2 times. Now what is left that we have to do? Multiplication. This whole number. Right? Whole number in after cancelling you will get the whole number. That whole number into numerator. 2 into 2 by say denominator. So 2 2s are 4. 4 by 1 means that is nothing but 4. So answer is 4. Clear, children? Now I am going to explain the 10th one. 7 by 9 into whole number. Here also you check it. In these two numbers, in these numerator and denominator, any common factor is there except 1? No. So leave it. Now these two, just whole number and denominator. You compare with the denominator only. Don't take numerators. 5 and 9. In these two numbers, any table will go? Except 1? No. So at this time, what we have to do? This whole number and into numerator you should do multiplication and write in the product you should write in the numerator. 7 5s are 35 and write the same denominator. Now this is 35 by 9. This is also in improper fraction. This improper fraction we should convert into mixed fraction. The 35 we divide by 9. 9 4s are 36. So is it 36 goes from 34? No. So how many times it will go? 3 times. 9 3s are 27. Right? 7 does not go from 5. Then you should take borrowing. Then this 3 becomes 2 and this 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 7, 8. 2 minus 2, 0. No need to write. Right? So this whole quotient is called whole number and this remainder is called numerator and write the same denominator. So 35 by 9 is equal to 38 by 9. Okay? Now 17th sum in this exercise, see 2 by 6 into 24 kgs. Same. This is a whole number and this is a fraction. You know that numerator into whole number you should multiply and write in the numerator. The product you should write in the numerator. And this denominator remains same. So first you should do these two. 2 by 6. Right? In this 2 by 6, in these two numbers, which is the common factor? 2 is the common factor. With the 2 you should do cancel. 2 how many times it goes into 1 time. 2 how many times goes in this 6? 3 times. 1 by 3. You always check it except 1. Now 1 by 3. So in these two, any table will not. Now this whole number and this denominator you check it. In these two numbers, any tables will go? Yes, 3 tables. 3 how many times it will go in 3? 1 time. In this, 8 times. So what is left? 1 into 8 by 1. 1 8 is 8. If you are writing 1 in the denominator or not writing, no problem. This is the answer for this question. So how many kgs? 8 kgs. Okay? Now I am going to explain 20th one. 3 by 4 into 8 meters. So here first this is a fraction number and this is a whole number. Right? In these two fractions, numerator and denominator, what is the common factor? 1 is the common factor. So no need to cancel. Now this whole number and this denominator, always compare with the denominators only. Numerator you should compare by denominator. See, in this 4 and 8, what is the common factor? 4 is the common factor. So do cancellation. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. So what is left here? 3 into here 2. Whole number means you should always write in the numerator only. By 1. 3 2 is 6. 6 by 1 means 6 only. Like this. Okay? See exercise 6.12. Find the product. Cancel out common factors. Okay, children? In this total 12 sums are there. In that out of 12, A Roman out of 12, I am going to explain 4 sums. See, first one 3 by 4 into 1 by 7. First check these two numbers. First numerator, first denominator. What is the common factor in this? 1. 1 is the common factor. So, no need to do anything. Now, this is 1 by 4. Second numerator, first denominator. Here also 1 is the common factor. So, no need to change anything. Same. Now, first numerator by second denominator. In these two numbers, any common factor? No. So, now what we have to do? You should multiply numerator into numerator and the product you should in the numerator and both the denominators you should do multiplication. The product you should write in the denominator place. So, 3 1s are 3, 4 3s are, 4 7s are 20. So, what is the answer? 3 by 20. The sum is completed. Now, I am going to explain the fourth one. 2 by 11 into 3 by 4. First fraction you see. In these two numbers, any common factor except 1? No. Then you compare second numerator and first denominator. In these two numbers, any common factor? No. So, now you compare first numerator and second denominator. 2, 4. In these two numbers, any common factor? Yes. What is that? 2. So, 2 will go in this 2 one time and in this 4 2 times. Right? Now, what is left? You write 1 into 3 by 11 into 2. 1 3 is 3 by 11 2 is 20. Clear, children? Now, I am going to explain the 11th one. 26 by 33 into 22 by 13. See, in these two numbers, any common factor? 26 and 33, any common factor? Except 1? No. Because this is a odd number, this is even number, 2 table will not go. 2 plus 6, 8, 3 plus 3, 6. In these two numbers, 3 table will not go. So, write like that. And this 22 by 39. Now you check if these two numbers, first numerator and second denominator, these two you check them. Then you go to like this. In these two numbers, any common factor except 1? Yes. What is that number? 30. Cancel by these two numbers by 30. 13 how many times it will goes in 26? 2 times. 13 how many times it will goes in 39? 3 times. Right? Now 2 and 3, any common factor except 1? No. So now you check it, second numerator and first denominator. In these two numbers, any common factor? Yes. What is that? 11. 11 how many times it will goes in 22? 2 times. 11 how many times it will goes in 33? 3 times. Now in these two numbers, any table will go? Except 1? No. Like this. In these two numbers, will not go. In these two numbers, will not go. Always you check it numerator and denominator. Don't take both numerators. Don't take both denominators. Now you do numerators multiplication. 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. The product you should write in the numerator. 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. So what is the fraction? 4 by 9. Okay. Now I am going to explain the 12th one. 15 by 14. In these two numbers, any common factor except 1? No. Then you check it. Second numerator and first denominator. In these two numbers, which table will go? Seventh table will go. Seventh table, how many times it will go in 14? 7 2s are 14. Here, 7 7s are 49. Okay. Now in these two numbers, any table will go except one? No. Then you go to check it. These two numbers. First numerator, second denominator. This is 15 and this is 20. Any common factor? Yes. What is that? 5. 5 table will go. 5 3s are 15. 5 5s are 20. Right? Now what is left? 3 into 2 by 7 into 2. In these two numbers, any common factor except one? No. In these two numbers? No. In these two numbers? No. In these two numbers? No. So now you do multiplication. 3 2s are 6, 7 5s are 10. Like this you have to complete remaining sums in A Roman. B Roman, multiply 3 1 by 3 by 1 1 by 5. This is a mixed fraction. You should convert into improper fraction. Then only you should do multiplication. See, how to convert? You know that denominator into whole number plus numerator by say denominator. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10 by 3. By means into, because multiplied by. So symbol is, you should write multiplication symbol. 1 by 5. Now check it in these two numbers. Any table will go except 1? No. Then you check it these two. 10, 5. Any table will go in these two numbers? Yes. What is that? 5 table. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. Now both are 1s. No need. Now you do multiplication. Numerator into numerator. 2 1s are 2. That we should write in the numerator. 3 1s are 3. So what is the answer? 2 by 3 is the answer. Okay. Now I am going to explain fourth one. See, 5 1 by 10 by 3 by 7. Right? Now you do this is mixed fraction. You should convert into improper fraction. 10 5s are 50 plus 1. 51 by 10 into 3 by 7. In these two numbers, any common factor? No. So now you check it in these two numbers, 51, 70. Any common factor? See, I am saying numerator and denominator. I am checking those two only. Right, 17 is the common factor. 17 1s are 17, 17 3s are 50. Now in these two numbers, any common factor? No. Now you do numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. Numerator into numerator. 3 3s are 9 by 10 1s are 10. This is proper fraction, like this. Now another one. 15 by 1 1 by 5. This is a whole number. We are multiplying by a fraction. So 15. This is a mixed fraction. You should convert into improper fraction. 5 1s are 5 plus 1. 6 by 5. Right? Now here this whole number and this denominator compare. In these two numbers, any common factor? Yes. What is that factor? 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 50. Now numerator and numerator you should do multiplication. 3 into 6. 3 6 are 18 by 1. So no need to write 1. That answer is 8. Okay? C Roman total 4 sums are there, Nana. So I am going to explain one sum. See, this is a mixed fraction. Find half means you have to multiply. And this is a mixed fraction. Okay. First this mixed fraction you should be converted to improper fraction. Then only you do the operations. Operations means either addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. Okay. Now see. I am converting this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15 by 4. Half means that is nothing but multiplication. Now this is the mixed fraction. I am going to convert into proper fraction. Improper fraction. Improper fraction. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2, 32 by 5. Now see, In these two numbers, any table will go? No. Then you compare these two numbers. 15 by 5. In these two numbers, any common factor? Yes. What is that? 5. Divide by 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 3 is 15. Okay. Now you compare these two numbers. In these two numbers, any common factor except what? Yes. What is that? 4. 4 1 is 4. 4 8 is 30. So now you multiply both the numerators and write in the numerator place, and multiply both the denominators and write in the denominator place. 3 8 is 24 by 1 into 1 is 1. So 24 by 1 means that is nothing but 24. Okay children, like this you should complete exercise 6.11 and 6.12. Practice remaining all the sums. Okay, I will meet you in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.